Right, hello, welcome back. Hope you're all well. Right, today's job is changing the blades on this Hayterette. I've got one blade upside down, the one at the bottom. One's got a screw in it at the top holding it on. It's held on with a wing nut. That's the first one I've had with a wing nut, but there you go. But yeah, I'm not sure if these will undo or not. Normally you end up cutting these off, but yeah, we'll have a little look and see how we get on. I'll go and get the new blades out. Right, hopefully you can see that because it's getting a bit dark out here now. But all the blades are off. One was held on. If that focus in, with a Phillips screw, or I screw with a Phillips head. Yeah. That's not bad for Hayterette blade, to be honest with you, because normally they wear them down to nothing. This is a new one. Hopefully you can see, I can see from them sitting. That's a new one, that's an old one. Yeah, hopefully you can see it okay. I think it's upside down, that one. There you go. Okay. Right, I'm going to bung these on and have another little look. Yeah. Right, I'll just show you fitting. I've got a lot of battery left, so I'll just show you fitting one quickly, and then I will, well, so to show you, I'll just bolt one up so you can see where it goes, and then oops, drop this there you go, that's better. And then I'll quickly bang them on and show you when it's done. You hear the pigeons on the roof. This plate's bent about a bit, but I'm going to stop it spinning, but if you can see, let's go on there. Put a bit off around here, actually, I'll get the other side. There's more room here, this side. So I've got myself in, I want to get myself with it. There's a big gap there, but because I can't get myself where I want it not to be. There you go, and it just screws up, and then that's a long nut, so I'll use my spanners. That's my new, I've got another new one. What I can show you is a little lip on that bolt. I can't get a bolt and I'll show you. Right. Yeah, put it right down the road, show it somewhere. Right, as you can see, hopefully, on that bolt, there's a little lip. So the blade fits on there, like so. And that allows it to swivel. Right, what I find is easier, to put two in like that. Make sure the lead's unplugged, and then put it like that, put the other two in, and then I'll go around and tighten them all up. Right, as you can see, they're all hanging downwards, that's how they should be. When you do these up, make sure you don't nip the blade. So the idea is they can all obviously they'll all be hanging downwards. And the idea is that when it's running, these will spin out like that, like that. If they hit anything, they will just move out the way and go back again. So you don't damage it. And when you're going thicker stuff, it will keep hacking at it until it can get through it. There's one of these which is slightly bent. I'm not sure what one it is. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one, this plate here. This one. Yeah, it's this one. So it's a slightly different angle. These are done right up, tight as you can get them. So watch you don't nip the hole is, you know, it's got to be in the middle of the hole when you do them up. They'll just be stuck. That's how they should be. They should do that. What I normally do is mark them up. That's how I tighten them, so that I know I've done them. Right, that's how it should be. That's as easy as that. This one's come undone nicely. Normally I end up cutting them off. It does hurt to put some oil on these, but obviously I won't because it's going in his van, so you can put some oil on it. So keep them oiled up, keep them like that. That will be fine. And put your plug lead on. Obviously, I haven't mentioned it before, this engine faces backwards, so you can put it up with the handles upwards. Whereas an all engine would have the engine the other way around, and you would like, you know, up the other way up onto the handlebars. But always keep the plug end upwards. Right, I hope that made sense. If you like this sort of stuff, subscribe, thumbs up, all the rest of it, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.